Welcome everyone. Today I am creating these stunning resin earring featuring delicate rosebud and a beautiful grassy effect. Let's get started. I begin with dry clay, shaped it to fit my resin mold. This will create a green ground like base for my design. Once the clay is placed in the mold, I pour in a layer of a clear resin. Now it's time to add the star of our design, dry rose buds. These tiny roses bring a touch of nature and elegance to the earrings. Next I pour another layer of resin, giving the earrings depth and shiny look. Then I let it cure for 24 hours. After the resin has set, I remove it from the mold. Now I carefully paint grass details onto the surface to enhance the natural aesthetic. To protect the design and add a glossy finish, I seal the earrings with another layer of resin. This step also ensures long-lasting durability. Now, they need to cure for another 24 hours. Once fully cured, I attach jump ring and earrings hook to complete the design. Our beautiful rosebud earrings are ready. I love how these turn out. The combination of earthy green ground, delicate rosebuds and shiny resin create a magical look. Let me know what you think in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative ideas. See you in the next video.